In this video, we use configuration profiles and the settings catalog to configure Windows Intune clients. Hello everyone, I'm Travis and this is Seraltos. In this video, we use the settings catalog and configuration profiles to apply customizations to Windows Intune clients. Before that, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for notifications of new content. That helps others discover this channel. Check out my courses on Windows 365, Azure Virtual Desktop, and hybrid identities with Windows AD and Azure AD. The links are below. And thank you, channel members. Your support is appreciated. We previously went over compliance policies. These are security settings used to ensure managed devices meet the organization's security requirements. In this video, we're going to review configuration profiles. These are features and settings that can be enabled or disabled on different types of devices in an Intune organization. Configuration profiles apply to different device types such as Android, iOS, and Windows. We use Windows coming up. There are a few different tasks that we can use configuration profiles for. We can use it to configure Wi-Fi or VPN connections, software updates, enable kiosk mode for mobile devices, configure the user environment, and more. These are similar to group policies in Windows AD, and what will probably replace group policies in environments moving away from Active Directory domain services to Intune for cloud-only device management. There are a few different ways to enable the configuration settings pushed to the clients, including administrative templates. These are similar to ADMX files for GPOs. Baseline configurations, these are templates that contain a group of settings, or the settings catalog. The settings catalog is used in the demo coming up. This is a catalog of all available settings for the device type. Different device types have different settings available. We can apply settings to devices and users. There's flexibility in how we apply these settings. The short version is this: if the setting will apply to a device no matter who signs in, or the setting applies to a device that doesn't have a primary user, an AVD session host, for example, use device settings and apply to a device group. If the setting always goes with a user, no matter what managed device they log into, the setting applies to the user. If you want a setting to apply when the user signs into a new device, email settings or OneDrive profiles, for example, configure user settings. Up next, we're going to use a configuration profile to change the default start page in Edge and Chrome and associate the setting to a device group. Let's jump into the Intune portal to get started. Here we are in the Intune portal. Let's start by going to Devices and Configuration Profiles. We'll create a new profile. For the platform, we'll select Windows 10 or later. And under Profile Type, we'll select Settings Catalog and Create. We'll give our profile a name, Windows Start Page for this example, and we'll add a description. We'll go next to Configuration Settings and Add Settings. There are a lot of settings to choose from. If we search for Edge, that returns all the Edge-related settings. We can use a comma between search terms. That will search for multiple keywords. Let's narrow it down to homepage-related settings. We'll search for homepage instead. Here are the homepage options. For Chrome and Edge, we can set the default startup homepage and the new tab page. Let's add those. We'll start by going to Chrome Startup Homepage and New Tab, and we'll go to Configure Homepage URL. We have two here. One is for device, one for user. We'll select the device. Next, we'll configure the new tab page URL. We'll select that. These have to be added one at a time. Next, let's go to Edge Startup Homepage and New Tab. We'll configure the homepage URL for the device. We'll scroll down to configure the new tab page URL, and again for the device. We're setting both the homepage and the new tab URL. The default behavior for most web browsers is to open a new tab, not the home page. So we'll enable both settings for Edge and Chrome. Keep in mind that there are a lot of settings here. I'm using this as an example to create a configuration profile. You may need to use different settings for different results. Once we have those selected, we can close the settings picker. We'll enable the settings. For Chrome, we'll set the new tab page URL, and we'll do the same for the homepage URL. And we'll repeat this for the Edge settings. And of course, you can use whatever URL you want for the new tab and homepage URL. Let's go to Next. We can assign this configuration profile to a group, all users, or all devices. We'll assign this to a group of devices, since this is a device policy. There's also an exclude group option that will exclude users or devices from the policy. Say, for example, we want the profile to apply to all devices even before they're added to any group, but we don't want the settings to apply to any admin devices. We could assign the policy to all devices and exclude the admin device group. Exclusions have to be the same group type. You can't target all users in the assignment and exclude a device group. Users and devices are evaluated separately. We'll go next to Review and Create. And Create. Let's refresh. And there it is. Next, we'll log into a client in that device group and verify it's working. Here we are signing into our client. Let's check Edge. The setting seems to be working correctly in Edge. And if we go to Chrome, we get the same results. So that's good. That means that our configuration profile has been applied to the client. Keep in mind the user I logged into this computer with has an Intune license applied. This computer is a member of the device group that the profile was assigned to, and I did have to give it some time for the policy to take effect. That is how we create configuration profiles with the settings catalog settings in Microsoft Intune. I hope this helps you better understand how to use configuration profiles with Windows clients in Intune. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.